Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the PRLF TV cord hider for wall-mounted TVs. A complete in-wall cable management kit designed to give your entertainment space a clean, streamlined look. If you've ever struggled with messy wires dangling from your wall-mounted TV, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. The PRLF TV cord hider is more than just a simple cover for your cords. This kit comes equipped with dual AC outlets, along with built-in USB and Type-C ports. That means you can power your TV, streaming box, and mobile devices all from one convenient location. The integrated brush plate allows for low-voltage cables such as HDMI and Ethernet to pass through neatly, keeping everything organized behind the wall. One of the standout features of this product is its focus on a clean aesthetic. Once installed, all power and signal wires are hidden, giving your wall-mounted TV a professional, clutter-free finish. The kit is ideal for creating a modern entertainment area without the distraction of visible cords, which can often make even the best home setups look messy. Installation is designed to be simple, even for those with minimal DIY experience. The kit comes complete with a cutting template, a drywall saw, mounting screws, and step-by-step instructions. The tool-free wiring design ensures that you can safely set everything up without needing an electrician. It's also family-friendly, with all components UL listed and built to safety standards. So you don't have to worry about dangling cords in homes with children or pets. Durability and stability are also key features here. Adjustable locking wings secure each module behind the drywall, preventing shifting or sagging over time. Once installed, the components stay flush and firm, maintaining a clean appearance long-term. With its combination of dual AC outlets, USB and Type-C ports, low-voltage support, and easy DIY installation, the PRLF TV cord hider offers a practical and elegant solution to cord management. If you're looking to upgrade your wall-mounted TV setup while keeping things safe and organized, this product definitely deserves a closer look. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more insights into smart home accessories and electronics, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.